Welcome to the streets of NOLA, where we're celebrating Mardi Gras. In today's episode of DermatoGraphix, we're learning about melasma, also known as the mask of pregnancy. We show this with a pregnant woman wearing a dark Mardi Gras mask to emphasize the mask distribution of hyperpigmentation seen in melasma. Melasma typically affects young to middle-aged women, hence why she's a young woman. It's exacerbated by UV and visible light, which is represented by the sun beaming down on her for UV light and the woman's 3D glasses representing visible light. This is because light activates the hyperfunctional melanocytes to produce excess melanin in the epidermis. Next up, this woman with the female estrogen symbol reminds us that increased estrogen levels can exacerbate melasma. Estrogen levels can rise due to pregnancy, oral contraceptives, and hormone replacement therapy, all of which can contribute to melasma as well. The Woods lamp can be used as a diagnostic tool in assessing melasma, depicted here as a purple wooden lamp. It helps accentuate melanin in the epidermis, making it more visible for evaluation. There's a wide range of treatment strategies for melasma. Broad-spectrum sun protection is crucial, indicated by this woman applying sunscreen on her arms. Iron oxide in sunscreen is recommended as it provides additional protection against visible light. Topical medications include hydroquinone, shown here by the Hydro Queen. Hydroquinone can be combined with other topical agents that we'll show on the right side. First off, this woman is standing on top of a hydro cooler representing topical steroids like hydrocortisone. Look at this Kojic king holding acid, representing that Kojic acid can also be used in combination with hydroquinone. They're getting very festive with the decorations. Take a look at the azalea flowers representing azelaic acid. Additionally, retinoids like tretinoin can also be used. This is shown by the retinoid asteroid up in the sky. Some combination of these ingredients is typically used in fade creams that help to lighten the skin. Finally, the teacher holding an exam represents tranexamic acid. This should be used cautiously due to potential severe side effects like venous thromboembolism, which is represented by clots of dirt near her legs, and strokes, which is shown by the brain hat with a black stroke on it. In addition to medications, procedures can also be added to the treatment plan. Procedures will be shown by this woman who's wearing a white face mask to represent chemical peels and holding a laser to represent fractional laser or IPL treatments. Let's take one more look at this Mardi Gras parade. This graphic was set in the festive atmosphere of Mardi Gras, where the pregnant woman is wearing a mask to represent melasma, commonly referred to as the mask of pregnancy. She's a young woman, as melasma typically affects this demographic. She's standing under the sunlight as UV rays can aggravate melasma. The other woman's 3D glasses remind us that visible light can also be an exacerbating factor. The woman with the female estrogen symbol on her shirt highlights the role of increased estrogen levels in triggering melasma. This includes pregnancy, oral contraceptives, or hormonal therapy. Diagnostic aids include a Woods lamp to accentuate the melanin, represented by the purple wooden lamp that the woman is holding. Treatment includes broad-spectrum UV and visible light protection, symbolized by the sunscreen, and topical agents such as hydroquinone, represented by the Hydro Queen. This can be combined with other agents, including the hydro cooler for topical steroids like hydrocortisone, the Kojic king with acid for Kojic Acid, azalea flowers for azelaic acid, the asteroid to help us remember retinoids, and the teacher with an exam for tranexamic acid. Don't forget the severe side effects that include venous thromboembolism, shown by the dirt clots, as well as a stroke, shown by a stroke of black paint on her brain hat. Finally, procedures like chemical peels and fractional laser treatments can also be added to the management. This is shown by the woman wearing a white face mask representing chemical peels and holding a laser representing fractional laser or IPL treatments. And with that, we've unmasked some secrets of melasma. See you in the next graphic.